Hello YouTube, this is the Car Kid 12 and I'm going to be talking about and giving a little show of the 1980 MCS Spider. This is in mint condition. There's probably not another one like it. Alright, first we're going to start up here. Got some lightweight bars, pro neck, gooseneck. I can't really show you it right now because of the pad on it. We got some Susie hubs, lightweight, rim. I don't know what the rims are. Got some Maxxis Daddy tires, a caliber C-clamp, a seat. I don't care. Bear claws. The rounded shaped bear claws, Seguno crank arms, one piece, change out race sprocket, Susie hubs again, rims, Max Daddy tires. Yeah, and give you a little quick down to it through it again. And then there's my Haro. The rims are off of it right now. Need some tires. Alright, Car Kid out.